seen the pain that's all about me. I felt the hatred and evil too. I've seen starvation in the cities, poverty in the suburbs you. I've seen brother fighting brother, husband using wife. I've seen child molesting hypocrites and virgins. Are there none? I've seen it all. I've seen it all. Incidentally, big deal. I've seen the old men in the cities looking for some peace, lying down and dying, all about my feet. I've seen those students in their colleges putting wrong what's right, fighting local governments just for the sake of a fight. I've seen it all. I've seen it all. Incidentally,